Welcome to another Churchfront on the Road vlog. In this session, welcome to another.
You can do it.
What?
Welcome to another edition of Churchfront on the Road vlogging. This week we're going to head to North Carolina.
Raleigh, North Carolina, to meet up with Brian Wahl, who is the founder of a little YouTube channel called Worship Tutorials. You know, we're gonna go and make some videos with Brian, and
hopefully just bring some awareness to his channel.
Yeah. We need to bring more awareness to his channel. We'll share some of his videos on our channel, so you guys should really go subscribe to him. Yeah, we're just gonna go make a couple videos tomorrow. Today's Monday, tomorrow's Tuesday. We're shooting all day long, but right now we gotta get to Raleigh. Well, we are in Raleigh.
Yep.
Raleigh, North Carolina. So, alright, good night, guys.
Yep, good night.
Mate, good morning, mate.
Oh, good. I would want to TJ, come on.
Welcome. Welcome to Raleigh. We are right here, Raleigh.
We're gonna see Brian Wahl.
Brian Wahl and Raleigh. Oh hey! Oh man, this is a great,
Wow.
This is a great place, man.
Dude, at lunchtime we could go play on the playset. No?
No. Welcome to YouTube Cribs.
YouTube Cribs.
It's pretty normal. There you go.
I don't know, bro. These granite countertops, man. It's like pretty bougie. That's cool though.
Edit. Of course, this is a pretty.
Oh man, dude, this is the McPherson.
Yeah. Try it out. Here you go. I don't know if it's in tune. I was doing. McPherson is my favorite.
What is this wood?
It's mahogany.
Yeah, so it's kind of like the J45 a little bit.
It's the wood, same wood combo.
Yeah, awesome. All right, man. Well, and the $100,000 sub plaque. I think I can get there like a year from now. 42.
Oh yeah, sure. You're on your way. You have a drone?
I'm kind of getting to the point where I have it and now I don't use it anymore.
It's because every time you turn it on, everything has to update. You have to calibrate.
Yeah.
Drones are awesome, but I have that Phantom 4. It's funny. I would call him my brother-in-law. They've been engaged for like a decade, and one of his daughters got married in Mexico.
Yeah.
And so they were there at the wedding, and that drone crashed on his balcony, or landed on his balcony. You know, it ran out of battery and landed. He took it down to the front desk, and he said, "Hey, if anyone comes looking for it, let me know." And nobody came after like 2 days, and so he just took it home. No, there was a card in it that had wedding photos on it.
Oh, that's somebody's so sad.
Yeah.
I can help worship leaders the most when they're at churches where they're already under healthy leadership.
Yeah.
Because worship leaders aren't the ones with the final say over what the new tool or strategy they want to implement. It's the senior pastors, and if the senior pastor has no mindset to want to make progress or grow, then
They need somebody to show them how to lead their teams.
yeah,
Because they've never had a mentor. It's just unbelievable to me how poor churches are led.
oh yeah, that's horrible. Do you know what you're getting yet?
Yeah, I know what I'm getting.
Lunch was good.
Now it's time for slightly controversial conversations with Brian and Jake.
It was interesting. It was this company who did, the government would contract them.
Yeah.
So like, we were public school systems, and like the government would, or the state usually, would develop this new curriculum, and it was all based on science.
Yeah.
And so they would develop curriculum for like teaching science better, basically. Teaching well is really hard. Yeah. So.
Yeah, I think our public school system has proven that.
The standards we would use to determine whether or not something was effectively being taught, they're so hard to,
yeah.
Any curriculum, it's really hard to teach well.
Yep.
I like staying at home. I'm a home guy.
Yeah, I'd say the traveling thing, like I think once to twice at the most a month is probably a sustainable.
See, that would be way too much for me.
And when I travel though, but it's like these trips where it's like it's one day. It's like it's not a multi-day thing, but like, you know, we left yesterday afternoon, we'll be back tonight. So it's kind of when it's multiple days, that's when I don't want to be the dad who's like gone all the time, you know?
We are traveling a bit coming up though. Brad and I are going to McPherson in Wisconsin.
Oh, cool.
They're in Sparta, Wisconsin.
Yeah.
They had asked me if I would be interested in, I wouldn't put that in the video.
Oh, would you look at that? The camera broke and we missed what Brian Wahl had to say. Good thing though, because we decided we probably wouldn't put it in the video.
We won't put this in the video. It'll just be on a hard drive somewhere in my office.
That makes me nervous. So your cues are always perfect, aren't they? Perfect, man. I'm so
Always.
jealous. I have the devil's advocate. Oh, so I guess that means you don't value having your volunteers plugged in.
Oh, I'll just punch you.
You're replacing them with technology. Can I say it just like that?
Precisely. Much obliged.
You do need somebody to make sure it doesn't crash and freaking burn.
I value my volunteers so much that I'm not going to make someone sit there for 3 hours on a Sunday and press the next button on the keyboard.
It's a very high-level task.
Touche.
You know what you could say? Here's what you do. You take that volunteer who's probably technically minded, you teach them how to use a camera, and you ask them to take high-quality photos during your service. And you take those photos and use them to talk about your church and what God is doing on social media, and it gets people to come in the door.
It's a wrap?
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap?
It was a long day.
It was a long day, wasn't it? It was good, though.
Well, Brian, do you have any final thoughts? Any wise words of wisdom for the Churchfront viewers?
Not foolish words of wisdom.
No.
Not really. Jake likes really dark, moody, colored lighting.
Yeah.
I've learned that about him.
I do.
I feel like maybe it reflects on his soul. Are you a tormented person, Jake? Are you depressed? Thanks for watching. See you next time. See you in the next video. I don't know. That's about it.
I wonder if this guy actually...
Yeah. How old are you? You seem to me like a pretty young
I just
guy.
turned 29.
Oh yeah, you're just a kid.